Tucked away in the historic Hinagu Onsen of Yatsushiro stands Kinparo, a wooden ryokan over a century old. Now a registered cultural property, it invites you to explore its timeless spirit and the charm of its streets. Step into this historic wooden hallway where polished floors and old beams gently echo the past. Through rippled glass windows, glimpses of a peaceful courtyard appear, a quiet moment suspended in time, warmed by thoughtful hospitality. Recognized for its cultural significance in 2009, this hallway still welcomes each guest with care and grace. At its end lies a soothing spring, mild and weakly alkaline, gentle on the body and spirit. In winter, Banpayu citrus floats in the bath. Spring brings a manatsu, and on Mother's Day, carnation petals drift across the surface, a subtle seasonal touch to enrich your time of rest.
All right,
So
we're going somewhere with a lot of history.
all the places we've been is wait, sorry. It's like
Wow.
so luxury. Wow, this is amazing. This is beautiful. Wow, so this is like also written Hinagu Onsen, like over here. So this is, I guess, the place, and this is what I'm so surprised. It is so beautiful here, and it's only 500 yen to get inside.
It's amazing.
I know. Oh, that's cute. Gallery is written in hiragana. So now Matsumoto-san is taking us around the area. It's like super beautiful.
This is amazing.
Wow! I
This
really
is
love the garden
amazing.
over here.
Honestly, for something like this, it's perfect that it's raining. It looks great in the rain.
I know. Oh, I need to get into the onsen here. Yeah, the glass over here is like super old and has a lot of history, and especially this time no one's in the guy's onsen we can see around, so I've never been to a guy onsen. It's my first experience. Oh my god,
It's not much of a guy onsen with no guys.
wow, oh my god, this is amazing. There's a rotundura over there, and from this onsen you can see the garden that we saw just now.
This really is amazing.
I know.
Do you want to take your, okay?
Yeah, I'll just care. I'll feel. Okay. Wow, this is amazing. So you can see all
You can
the
feel the
trees.
heat.
Yeah, it's so warm and cold. I mean, it must be so great. Like, getting into an onsen under the rain is a special kind of experience.
Oh yeah. All right, let's get in the bath.
How is it under the rain? Perfect. I wanted to be there. Wow. Oh, and you also see the bamboo architecture here.
Ooh, there's also the dolls that he was making before.
True.
Yuna?
Wait, I
There's
forgot the
large
name.
ones. It's Yuna, right?
Yuna, yeah, Yuna. No, I think Yuna is the job name, and I think the doll has a specific name.
Well, anyways, the dolls he was making, there's some very large ones over there.
Super large. And I guess it's also light, right? Wow. This is beautiful. Oh, I actually like this so much. Like, do you see this?
Very peaceful.
You know, I want this in my house. I wonder how it works. Cool. So I think we are gonna explore more about this place, I guess. Not sure. Well, let's see how it goes.
Wow, nice. Break area.
ブーブーブーブーダメでした。内戦だけです。残念。